Hi guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 3191, which is minimum operations to make binary array elements equal to 1. So the description here says that you are given a binary array nums. You can do the following operation on the array any number of times, possibly 0. Choose any 3 consecutive elements from the array and flip all of them. Flipping an element means changing its value from 0 to 1 and from 1 to 0. Return the minimum number of operations required to make all elements and nums equal to 1. If it is impossible, return -1. Okay, so for the example, we are given an input array nums having elements 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. And the output here given is as 3. Now we will see that what has happened to this array. So first we have changed the bits of indices 0, 1 and 2 and we have flipped the number. So the array has become 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now in the second operation, we have flipped the values of indices 1, 2 and 3. So the resultant array has become 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So in the third iteration, we have chose the elements 3, 4 and 5 and we have flipped the elements. So the resultant array we obtained is nums of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this has become an array having all the elements as 1. So we have reached to the end point. So we will return the total number of operations it has taken to be in that place. So we have took 3 operations. Thus we will return the output 3 in it. Okay, so now for the solution approach, we will iterate through the array and we will check if the elements have the value 0. If yes, the element has 0 value, so we will check if there are 3 indices in the array which can be flipped from that index. Like if we are in index 3, we need to check if the length of the array is greater than 5 or not. Like the elements need to be flipped should be the last of 3 elements, like 3, 4, 5. We need to leave 3 elements at the end so that we can flip it and do the operation given in the description. And now we will check if all the elements have turned to 1 or not. If yes, we will return the total number of operations it is required to flip the elements, or else we will return -1 and then we will return the number of operations we have obtained to flip the array and to make it the elements 1 in the whole array. So the time complexity of this approach is big O of n as we are iterating through the array once, and the space complexity is big O of 1 as we are not using any other space other than few variables having size big O of 1. The space complexity finally will be big O of 1. Okay, so let's move to the code. Firstly, we will take the answer as 0, like it will store the number of operations we have done, and we will store the nums array length to the variable n. Now we will iterate through the array using for loop. We will check if the element at index I of nums array is 0. Then we will have another if statement, like we will check if I plus 2 is greater than equal to n, like if there are 3 more elements to be flipped or not. If not, we will have the value returned as -1, or else we will have this operation where nums at index I plus 1 will be flipped by XORing it with 1, and nums and like element at nums of array 1 plus 2 will be flipped also by XORing it with 1. Now we will increment the value of answer and we will return the value of answer. Now we will run this code. Now we will submit it. And it beats 100% solution. Thank you.